Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we learn about National Bird Day. So let's start. National Bird Day has been observed every year on January 5th. National Bird Day is celebrated to appreciate everything these great animals do and to raise awareness for the adversity they face on daily basis. Several dates and days are dedicated to birds worldwide or in different parts of the world to raise awareness about bird conservation. In this day, many activities are organized in colleges and organizations like bird watching, studying about birds, and other bird-related activities. There are almost 10,000 different species of birds. Archaeopteryx lithographica is known to be the earliest known bird. The largest species of bird on the planet is the ostrich. A bird's normal body temperature is usually 7 to 8 degrees hotter than a human. The world's only wingless bird is the kiwi bird of New Zealand. National Bird Day is the day to create awareness or education about the physical and behavioral needs that need to improve the welfare of the millions of birds kept in captivity. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.